Good morning, week 4, Tuesday. Let's talk about author's purpose. The author's purpose, there are usually three purposes the author would have. One is to persuade, One is to persuade, one is to inform, and one is to entertain. And what does that spell? Pie. That's one way you can remember it. So we need to, after we read, ask ourselves, is this trying to persuade me to think a certain way, trying to teach me something, that would be the I, or just for fun, entertainment, that would be the E. So let's look at the first one. Exercise is good for your body. Everyone should exercise 3 or 4 times a week. It improves your health and your mental well-being. Let's see. Is it trying to persuade me to do anything? I think it is. I think it's trying to persuade me to exercise. Everyone should exercise 3 to 4 times a week. So I'm going to say this one is to persuade. And then the second, Harriet Tubman was a brave woman. She helped many slaves reach freedom through a secret passage known as the Underground Railroad. That's historical, so it's not really entertaining. Well, unless, of course, you like that kind of thing. It would be entertaining for you. But it is trying to teach me about Harriet Tubman. So I would say this one is to inform, because that is when the author is trying to teach you something. Okay, let's look at number 3. Explain how an author's purpose can be both to entertain the reader and to share feelings. Well, I would think that most fictional books are meant to entertain, but a lot of those have feelings or themes to them where the author is trying to share some feelings. So I would think anytime there's a journal entry, that would be sharing feelings, but it could also be to entertain. And then most fiction, I would think, would be the same way. Think about that. What are your thoughts?